I don't know what these are called, but it looks like kind of like a monkey. There's two. Here's my brother looking at the monkey. Say hi to the video, Danny. Say hi. So there's one like over. Daddy, where is it? There's one over here on the tree. And he's looking at me, by the way. So that is awkward. He's looking at me doing a video. And he's walking. Where's he on? He's kind of like on a rock. Maybe we can climb the tree. Like a big rock next to a tree. Say hi, Daddy.
Hello, hi, Samuel. I'm taking video.
Claire, say hi again. Don't eat the bit scream. Okay, let me say hi. Hi. You see my face? Yeah. So, I don't really see anything. Monkey! Oh, yeah, the monkey. Bye, guys. Bye.